Hey guys, welcome back. We're really excited. This is our new flip that we just closed on. We're right here on 40th Street and Thunderbird. We actually have some friends and visitors with us. So we have Gio. He's actually taking his test right now. And he's looking to get licensed. We just have our man David. He just passed his exams. So he's really excited. You also guys, you know Saul. He's been on the team here for almost a year, but this is a project that we just took on, and I'm gonna bring the guys in and show them exactly what we do, what we're going to do, and talk more a little bit more on the numbers and show them exactly how we're gonna redesign it. So follow us. All right, here it is. We'll just wait for the boys. Actually, we'll leave this open for some good lighting. So here's the house, guys. We are at almost just under 1,400 square feet. We'll come a little bit this way. You notice that there's another wall here. We don't like walls. I already talked to the contractor. This wall can actually come out. We're gonna do some rearranging in here. So this is gonna be our main kitchen. We'll have an island. We're actually gonna move the sink over to the island. We'll have a range. We'll have a microwave here. Probably gonna put the fridge on this side and maybe make like a little pantry cabinet over here. We're gonna bring everything this way, put some new can lighting. We're taking this additional wall out here. Look, one of the biggest things you guys wanna do when you look at the flips, look at the other investors and what they've done. See if you can find a similar floor plan to yours and just I don't want to say copy it exactly, but just see exactly what they did so you can see if you can find some shortcuts. Hey, they took that wall out, so can we type thing. So this will be the new dining area. So we'll put a few cans here. We'll have the chandelier coming down here. On the other side of this wall is an additional 3 feet. So like a little storage area. So we're going to bring it out to here. And then we're gonna just make that the laundry room. So it's gonna be a really good functional space. Your laundry room will be out of the way. When you find some of these older floor plans, you notice that the laundry room is usually in the way, or it's like outside, or it's just in an awkward spot. So you always wanna make sure you're in tune with the new buyers and their perspective of what they need and what they want when they walk into a house. And locating the the laundry room is a big thing. This was an additional pantry space that we're gonna take out and just open it up. Make sure it's an open floor plan. Please. We have a little bit of awkwardness here. This actually goes into a closet, but we're gonna drywall this out. This will be bedroom 1 here. These are just some cabinets. We're probably gonna refinish these and put some new doors on it. Water heater is right here. We have bathroom 1 here. They haven't turned the power on, but it's really simple. It's just got a tub. We're probably gonna put a 36-inch vanity. We'll tile all the way up, and we'll actually raise the shower head up a few, probably like 6 inches as well. We are walking into bedroom 2 here. There's popcorn in this room, and there's popcorn in that other room, so we're gonna scrape that off, retexture, repaint it. We're probably gonna retexture and paint the whole house. We're also gonna add brand new windows because these are all single pane. These are all gonna be new closet doors that we're gonna redo, refinish. I'm just gonna probably make sure the ductwork is looking good. We're gonna change these night covers out here. And then you walk into the master, and apparently they really love pink because you have pink wall and you got a pink bathroom over here too. This is gonna be their walk-in shower. There's obviously like 6 to 8 inches of additional space here that we're gonna push back. This bathroom lines up with the other bathroom, so we're gonna raise this shower head. We're gonna tile this all the way out. Probably a 30-inch vanity here. We'll probably move some of these little towel rods here. We'll have a nice mirror, have a nice light fixture. The landscaping we're gonna keep really simple. I don't know if you can see it from the back here. It's pretty much just dirt. So we're probably gonna have 60 to 80 tons of rock. We're gonna put a nice little patch of green grass back there and just give it a little pop. Considering actually doing a covered patio because it doesn't have one. We will enclose the garage. I don't know if you saw it in the beginning, but there is no enclosed garage. It's just a two-car carport. And yeah, that'll be the project. Talked with the guys. I've already ordered materials. We already have appliances that will be delivered. I already started and bought the tile. The additional Home Depot stuff will be done probably by Friday. And then from there, we'll be 4 to 5, 6 weeks out. So like I said, come on boys, this is a project that I started, but I know these gentlemen are really interested in knowing how the flip industry works. What are the ins, what are the outs, what are the do's, what are the don'ts, what is the financing that goes behind this. So from my heart to theirs, I am definitely taking them in my wing. I'm happy because I treat them as brothers and show them how to really do this business. Why? Because a lot of people don't. You have to go through a lot of hoops and lose a lot of damn money in order to figure it out. So next time, guys, make sure you like us, follow us, share. If you have any additional questions, let us know. Love you.